I'm having some problems running your software. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Mostly it doesn't work. So maybe you can help me. I am setting this up. So first I run the application as an administrator. There's no antivirus or running. I have no other applications running. I've turned them all off. I go into the dossier and I choose a customer. If you look in the customers, you see there's Greg B and the two examples. But if I open it in a different mode, it will show different people. Let me show you. Compatibility troubleshooter. And I'll try their recommended settings and test the program. As you can see, when I run it with the compatibility program, I have numerous more people in here. Before there was just Greg B, now there's Greg B, Greg B1, and Mauro. People that I've done tests on that I really need to keep the data. I'm not sure how your program is deciding which set of databases that it should use, but I would really like you to help me with this. My next issue is that when I run the program on myself more than once in a week, it won't run. So here I created this and I have no records, as you can see. I created the user, but I can't use the program. So I'm going to try again using the testing. Start. And I've got it plugged in and nothing happens. And this is what happens most of the time I try and use your program. It just doesn't work. I'm saving the settings because at least this time I could see all of the users that were created. That's really important for me. If you want to know what I'm running in my application, I have installed Norton, but everything is turned off. There's nothing running. I guess my next choice is to remove the program altogether, but I'd like to be able to use my computer for other things when I'm not using your program. So I don't think it's right that I have to uninstall the antivirus, just turn it off. So you can see that nothing is running. It, it says enable, 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 because everything is turned off. Nothing is running. I also have nothing running in the task manager on the startup. Everything is disabled. And if you go into msconfig, you can see that all services other than Microsoft have been disabled, except for the Norton, which are not running anything except being installed. I can't turn those off. Please help me. I really want to use your program. There's lots of people I want to help, and I'll buy a lot of them if you can help me fix this. Thank you so very much.